Welcome to True Life Lessons, a channel where we explore the power of mindset, self-awareness, and inner transformation. Here, every story is a reminder that success doesn't start outside of you. It starts within. If you're ready to find calm in the chaos, to build strength from silence, and to rediscover the peace that already lives inside you, then this story is for you. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Sam. His mind was always full of thoughts, worries, regrets. He spent his days thinking about the past and fearing the future. Because of that, he couldn't sleep, couldn't smile, couldn't find peace. His life felt like a storm he couldn't escape. One day, he heard about a wise old man living in a quiet village in the hills. A man who once was a great psychologist, but left the noise of the city to live in peace with nature. People said he had helped many find calmness within themselves. So Sam decided to go. He walked for days until he finally reached the small house, surrounded by green trees and soft wind. On the porch sat the old man, calm and still, like time had stopped around him. Sam bowed and said, "Grandfather, my mind is restless. I cannot stop thinking. Please, teach me peace." The old man smiled and said, "Come with me. I'll give you a small task." He filled a glass of water to the very top, so full that even a single step could make it spill. "Walk to the edge of the village and back," he said, "but don't spill a single drop." So Sam began his journey. The road was busy, people talking, dogs barking, children laughing. But Sam saw none of it. His eyes were only on the glass, step by step, carefully, patiently. He reached the end and came back without spilling even one drop. The old man smiled again. "Tell me, Sam, did you hear the children playing? Did you notice the barking dogs?" Sam shook his head. "No, I saw nothing else. I was focused only on the glass." The old man nodded. "That, my child, is peace. When your mind stays in the present moment, there is no space for fear, confusion, or sorrow. You are not in your past, not in your future, only here, now. That's when your mind becomes quiet." In that moment, Sam understood. Peace wasn't something he could chase in the world outside. It was already within him, hidden beneath the noise of his own thoughts. When we empty our minds, when we stop fighting the past or fearing what's next, we begin to see clearly. We begin to live. As he walked back home, the sun was setting. The wind was soft, the sky glowing gold. Sam smiled for the first time in a long while, not because life had changed, but because he had changed. He had learned the greatest truth. When your mind is calm, everything around you becomes peaceful. If this story touched your heart, take a moment today to pause, to breathe, and to let go. Because sometimes peace isn't about finding something new, it's about remembering what's already inside you. This is True Life Lessons, where every story reminds you that true success starts from within. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs peace today, and subscribe for more stories that speak to your soul.